And welcome back. Tacoma SRT5 coming at you with a little something different, something we don't usually do. We have a visor that's gotten lazy over the course of time and got to drive it like that. It's still in the way. So we got a new one and we're going to replace it. I don't have a panel pry tool. I've got some hooks. And I do have a angled, I'm having a brain fart, but we're going to see what'll work here. So we're going to get this down a little bit, and then there's this clip-on cover we're going to kind of pull on. There we go. Give it a tug, comes right out. And number 2 Phillips screwdriver. If you're not familiar with screwdriver sizes, this is really common. The next step down is going to make adjustments, or you're going to unscrew the battery cover to a remote or RC car or something. And there's one here. You can get at it with it in its normal position. Don't lose the screws. The replacement visor did not come with any. We can move this way, diagonally, I guess. Unscrew. All right. And it comes right out. I thought there was going to be an electrical connection for the light that lights up. And I'll take this off the new one so we can, oh, come on. Bless you.
Thank you.
Leave that there. This cover is a harder plastic than the factory one, but it'll still work. And this is actually a plastic visor, and this one is like, it's got some kind of foam under it, and it's a little bit softer, but it is darn close in color. So we're going to go right back in. Come on. Goes there. I like to do my repair videos in real time because you got a lot of people that'll just, oh yeah, and then you just pull the engine out and nobody knows what all is really, oh!
Sadness.
And these things do happen. So I'm gonna, there we go. Clip it into place first.
Smartness.
So it can hold itself. And see how it's down here? I can see the hole where it needs to go and get it started. And since 2 holes need to line up, I'm going to leave this one a few turns loose. And see if we get the other one started. That's going in just fine. I'm not promoting anybody's products. We paid for this to replace it, and we're doing just that. Okay, this does screw into metal. It's not plastic, so you can screw it in pretty firm. Okay, that's tightened down. There we go. And it's going to stay where we leave it. We'll put that plastic back and we'll be done. And that's about it. I hope you all learned something. Have a good one, everyone.